I thought it would be very similar to the strawberry because berry. But it does taste like a 3-berry, like typical thing with little vanilla. Not my style specifically, but pretty good. So 3.9.
Mommy. Yummy.
Ooh, that's kind of like a medicine. It's triple berry. It reminds me of like kind of like a purple medicine or something. I don't taste either vanilla. It's interesting. God, I can't put it on exactly what it tastes like, but what is that purple? All right, it'll come to me later. But that's, I don't know. Very summerful. 3.2.
That's surprisingly good. Because you don't taste all the berries. It looks like the triple berry, but you don't taste them all. But it's surprisingly good, so I'll give that one a 4.
I love it. What is my rankings again?
0 to 5.
A solid 4.
I like the normal flavors better, I think. 3 even.
Triple berry frosty.
I already know. Based on the other Frosties, I'm not gonna like this.
Why you like berry?
Not good.
Not good?
Not good.
Why?
Give that a 2. Not a fan. It's a little chalky too.
I wanted to like this one. It's not bad. I feel like it almost tastes like grape medicine.
It tastes like the back in the day when you had to get like at the dentist when you had to get like the little things in
Like
your
the
teeth.
fluoride
Yeah,
wash?
that's what it tastes like.
So both medicine in some way, either dentist or just, like grape gel. I had, what I had in my head that I wanted it to be was triple berry, like sundae from Sam's, but not it. Okay, so what do you rate it?
2.
I mean, it's not like, the more I'm eating it, it's growing on me. Like, it's still not the best, but I'll say 2.5. Seen better. All right, that's it. Bye.
Ooh, that was a big scoop.
I'll give it a 5.
Not the berry. It is very berry. It's almost to the point like a berry, like cough syrup.
Ew, cough syrup.
Yeah, tell me about it. If you like berries, it's for you. If not, I'm gonna say like a 2.5. I'm not about that.
The blueberry cream soda.
All right, what's your score?
My crispy drink score.
1 through 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Let's try other sweets.